Hey everyone, I'm Dave. Today we're going to make a Vietnamese classic with an American twist. We're going to do a Vietnamese banh mi burger. Let's get started. I'm excited to give this banh mi burger a try with the jalapenos, the pickled carrots, cilantro, and the spicy mayo we're going to be adding to this. It should really make this burger pop. Here we go. Okay, we're gonna prepare to pickle the carrots here. We're gonna pour in our rice vinegar and sugar. We're gonna bring this to a kind of a simmer and just make sure we get all of the sugar to dissolve in there. And then we're gonna pour it into our carrots, and it's gonna take about an hour. You can do this a couple days in advance, but give it at least an hour before you use it. Okay, now we've got the rice wine vinegar and the sugar ready. And if you notice, I use multiple color carrots. I think it just adds a little color to your burger. We're gonna throw the carrots in. Now we're gonna pour the vinegar in, and then we're gonna give them at least an hour here before we use them. But they will add some great flavor. All right, we'll set this aside and bring this back when it's time to plate the burger. All right, for topping off the burger at the end, we're gonna make a spicy mayo. We're gonna add in our mayonnaise. I always like to use real mayonnaise. We're gonna add in a little tomato paste, some garlic, and then some Tabasco to give it a little kick here. We're gonna mix that all up. And this is just gonna give a little pop to the top of our burger. That's good. Okay, real quickly, we're gonna make our patties. We're gonna make nice, big 6-inch patties. We'll smash them down a little more when they get on the grill. Okay, and we're gonna put a little pinch of salt, a little pinch of pepper, and a little bit of curry. On both sides of this, we're gonna put it in the fridge so that it doesn't fall apart when we're grilling it. And then we'll get things started in a little bit. Okay, we've got our ground chuck patties with the curry, the salt and pepper. We're gonna real quick oil the grill. We got it at a nice, medium-low heat right now. We're gonna drop these on. Again, we oil the grill so the burgers don't stick. What we want on the plancha here, the burgers to get a nice char on each side. It'll be about 5 to 6 minutes each side. We're gonna let those sit. On the flip, we'll also toast the bun. All right, the burgers smell great. It's been about 6 minutes. We're gonna give it a flip here. Beautiful crust on these guys. The plancha just has these come out perfectly. Oh, those look so good. All right, now we're gonna get the buns prepped. What we're using for the buns is a nice big baguette. And we're gonna cut this into fourths. We're gonna take these, put a little butter that's softened up here on them, and lay them down on the grill too to give it a nice toasting. And that'll come out great. When this is done in about 4 or 5 more minutes, we'll take those off, we'll build these up. Now I'm doing the burgers and the bread on the plancha. If you don't have a plancha or something like this, you can also do them on a cast iron on your grill or directly on the grill if you prefer. I love the plancha or a cast iron because it really gives a nice crust on the burgers. All right, these burgers are almost ready. We're gonna take off the bread. It's got a nice little toast to it. Oh, these look beautiful. We're gonna take that spicy mayo we made with the Tabasco. We're gonna put it on the top and bottom. Give it a nice little kick. All right, now we're gonna put these burgers on. They smell incredible. Nice ground chuck burgers with that curry, salt and pepper. Oh, they smell so good. Beautiful crust on these on both sides. Now we're gonna take our pickled carrots. And some of them will stay on the burger. We're gonna place a couple of the pickled jalapenos I have on top of here. These will pack a nice little punch as well. And just give a little bit of cilantro on top. These just smell so good right now. There we go. Now I can't wait to take a bite. I'm diving in right now. The burger is cooked perfectly. The bread gives you that little toast and crunch. The pickled carrots just give that extra flavor. You get that heat from the jalapeno. These are outstanding. One more bite. So good. That spicy mayo as well. This was such a fun cook. Great little flavor. Nice pop of spice in these. Thanks again for watching. I'm Dave. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below. Let me know what you want to see cooked next. Be happy to do it. Have a great day, everyone. And remember, spread love through barbecue.